Okay, so today's project, primarily getting the clutch to work again with a new cable. See, I broke it when I rode the last time, and yeah, also fixing a little bit of miscellaneous stuff. This one is not on properly. Also, the brake lights for the hand does not work, but the foot one works fine. So it's the switch in here I need to change out. Yeah, it's an old motorcycle, but I think she's gonna run again. Okay, so now I just need to adjust the length of that according to the old one, and then once I've done that, the tip will be inserted into this one in here. It's difficult to see. Yeah, well, that's what pulls the clutch. Okay, so it turns out that a new clutch works way better than a 35-year-old clutch. So I'm pretty happy about that. It looks to be adjusted properly. And I'm just gonna put the rest back on, and then I'll go for a test ride. Okay, so now that the bike is able to move with a new clutch cable, I moved locations to my garage, and I'm now going to fix the rest. Okay, so that should be a fine temporary fix. I will redo this in a better way. I just need all the supplies for it. I don't have it here, so should be alright. Yeah. Okay, so that should hold up at least for a few days till I can get supplies to do it properly. And I'll redo it then, probably next week. So now I'm just gonna check it. And it works. That's perfect. Okay, so that was me fixing miscellaneous stuff on my motorbike. And yeah, stay tuned for another video. Bye.